Hello again, welcome to another video. Just like to have a look at this lovely little Hyundai i20 Active in the silver. Nice low mileage car. Comes with all the service history, just had a service. All nice and clean inside. Nice roomy little car. Also comes with the spare wheel and jack under there. A nice tidy bodywork. 1.2 engine. It's nice and cheap to run. £30 a year road tax. It's got the 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors, electric folding mirrors as well. £34,000 miles. Radio CD with the Bluetooth telephone, so you can control that from the steering wheel, connect your phone. Air conditioning. Nice easy car to drive. Got your inputs there for your devices, your auxiliary input and your USB. Also comes with 2 remote keys. Which is useful. Front fog lights. There you go, nice tidy little car. If you're interested, drop me an email, give me a shout on the usual number, and thank you again for watching.